I know what it feels like to fall, I know what it feels like to fall. It isn't until we admit defeat that we find strength. You know what it takes to admit vulnerability? Are you willing to be challenged, uncomfortable? What are you willing to withstand to create your destiny? Willing to withstand to create your destiny. I often ask myself, where does my character lie in terms of trouble or in weakness? When is my soul at rest? I've encountered so many obstacles along this journey. I've made mistakes. I've stumbled. But I have faith and determination to rise. My idea of happiness is safety, love, respect, and purpose.
Give you all I got in every way I want. You're the only reason why I wanna live my life. Mark my words, mark my words. Falling in and out of trust, trying to rekindle life, only to lose.